What's going on, everyone? It's Justin here, and today I've got a limited edition unboxing for you of the JBL and Giannis Antetokounmpo collaboration, and this collaboration is called the Freak Edition headphones. So JBL actually sent this out and was also nice enough to sponsor this video. So for those who don't know, Giannis Antetokounmpo is an NBA champion, Finals MVP, Season MVP, and also GQ's Man of the Year. It does have like this really cool design as well as a signature on this, and these are two of JBL's best set of headphones in their respective categories, including the Tour ones, which I've actually heard really good things about, as well as the Endurance Peak 2s, which are focused on athletics. So the first thing that we're going to go ahead and take a look at is the Tour 1 headphones. These are kind of like the flagship of JBL's lineup, and it has all the great features when it comes to sound quality, app control, noise cancellation, but just from like a design and collaboration standpoint of the Freak Edition, which has like an eye-catching blue and green distorted eye impression of the map where Greece is kind of the standout of it. Because as you guys know, Giannis is really tied to his roots of where he came from in Greece, and all that is really resembled in this limited edition collaboration design, and there's of course a signature on the headband as well. But when it comes to some of the features that it has, I think what really stands out here is the noise cancellation and the sound quality. The sound quality is really able to give like a nice sound stage. The bass is definitely there. I feel like JBL has a really good balance of focus in noise cancellation and transparency options, as well as the customized control that it gives you through the JBL app. When it comes to the noise cancellation, there's actually two different modes, including the adaptive and the everyday, and the adaptive is just as the name mentions. It is able to analyze a scenario and enable the actual like cancellation aspect accordingly. So for example, if you have the noise cancellation on and you're walking around in an area that isn't exactly loud, but then suddenly like a bus drives by, it will usually be in more of like a static state, but then as the bus drives by, it will gradually cancel that out accordingly. So in a scenario where noise cancellation doesn't have to be enabled at its max, it allows you to enjoy the music better for what it is. If you just want to have like a stable noise cancellation though, the everyday ANC is a setting to be able to do that. But there is also a feature called talk through, which is really handy because, for example, you're in transparency mode and you might have to like talk to somebody. It will actually lower the volume of the music accordingly as it senses the voice. And on top of that, the call quality is also really good. The battery life should get you just about 25 hours with the active noise cancellation on and 50 hours without it. But generally speaking, if you're looking for a really solid, like high-end noise cancellation headphones that have good sound quality, I think the general package and balance of focus on both sides really does come together with the Tour 1. The other product in this collaboration though is the Endurance Peak Tube Freak Edition. And on top here, it does have the same resemblance of the European map in the blue color. That looks pretty cool, but as you open it, it also does travel to the earbud itself. At the price point, this is not only able to offer good sound quality, as well as decent battery life, but I think the most important aspect is the fit and the durability. Some people like to use earbuds, others wear their AirPods, for example, but this right here is one that I feel like has a very nice and comfortable transition from the actual earbud element itself to having like a silicone flexible wing on the back here. What I noticed after putting them on is that they have a really good level of passive seal to them because there's no active noise cancellation. So generally speaking, if you're looking for a good sport earbud that comes in at a pretty solid price point, then this is one that has good sound quality as well with a decent focus on bass that isn't overwhelming. I definitely noticed that the Tour 1s have a much stronger bass focus. And I would say like the characteristic overall is more of a balanced sound approach. But the battery life is about 6 hours on the earbud itself and 30 hours in total once you combine it with the amount that the case is able to store. So otherwise, thank you guys for watching this video on the Giannis Antetokounmpo Freak Edition headphones from JBL and their collaboration that's going to be available on StockX. And so as you guys enjoy this video, make sure you go ahead and drop a like, and I'll see you all in the next one.